Dear students, today we will discuss that is the synthesis of nitrofurantoin along with the complete information about nitrofurantoin. As we have discussed, nitrofurantoin is urinary antiseptic. Okay, let us discuss the nitrofurantoin synthesis. It is belongs to which category? Urinary antiseptic. Urinary antiseptic have a mechanism of action, that is oxidation of flavoprotein as well as oxidation of DNA. Okay, means due to the nitrofurantoin oxidation of flavoprotein and DNA take place. How it can be? Nitrofurantoin produce that free radical cause oxidation of this. Okay, due to the oxidation of these flavoprotein as well as DNA, which results the bacteriostatic action, and its action is more active or more lethal in acidic pH. Okay, as you know, during the urinary infection, there will be the lower pH. Okay, lower pH means it is a favorable condition to act as a bacteriostatic action or antiseptic action in the urinary tract. Okay, means its use is as its category, that is the urinary antiseptic. Clear? Now on this these ground, it is also contraindicated, means it cannot be given to a patient which have different problems. There are three problems. This question was in GPAT. Okay, GPAT question is there. What three are? That is the glucose 6-phosphate deficiency, renal failure, as well as polynephritis. Means if any patient have such type of problem, then that nitrofurantoin cannot be given to the respective patient. Okay, come to the next one. It is an important one, that is the related to patient counseling. Which patient undergo the treatment with the nitrofurantoin at that time patient taking a nitrofurantoin, its urine black color on air exposure. Means suppose a person is having a nitrofurantoin tablet or whatever dosage form, but at the same time its urine become a black color. In that situation, patient have a different psychology. We have to, or patient, doctor have or patient or pharmacist should know about this problem, this effect, and then there will be no psychological problem. Okay, at the same time it is reduce the secretion of propan acid if we will give the simultaneously with propan acid. Okay, means propan acid and nitrofurantoin cannot be given at the same time. Clear? This is all about related to its pharmacological usage and its general information, which is important for the competitive exam point of view. Okay, come to the synthesis. Synthesis is a very easy one. See, synthesis, that is this structure NH2 known as you know, hydrazine. Okay, hydrazine. It is very simple, and it is the acetic acid, and this one chloro, means this is our starting material, chloro acetic acid. Okay, now simple reaction, it's a very simple. HCl will be removed, will be removed, and it's this reaction known as reaction first is simple condensation reaction. Okay, simple condensation reaction. Come to the reaction number, means hydrazide, and this one the acetic acid. Come to the second reaction, that is the what this at this position CH2, this is the CH2COOH, means acetic acid, and this nitrogen have will be removed as a this form in presence of water molecule, then it form the amide linkage with potassium cyanate. Means this is our second reaction, and that is introduction of we can say carbonyl functional group or as well as amide functional group. Means reaction number second, that is carbonyl functional group introduction. Okay, that is amide linkage, and at the same time if we will heat that, then reaction number third, that is NH2 and nitrogen CH2COOH and CONH2. If we will heat this molecule, then at the same time water molecule, here COH and here H will be removed and water molecule will be removed, and cyclization occur at the same time. This is one NH2, okay, this NH2, this nitrogen, this carbonyl functional group, this one carbonyl functional, this CH2 and this CH2, this carbonyl functional group, this NH2, NH, this one. Okay, means cyclization is occur. I have rewrite this structure, this NH2, this nitrogen, and rearrange this molecule, and this molecule, as we have discussed, that is hydantoin. Okay, this is hydantoin molecule. It is only rearrangement or rearranged structure, not a particular type of reaction. It is a simply rearranged structure. At the same time, that is reaction number fourth one. We will reacted with the side chain or its structure which required in the nitrofurantoin structure, that is the furan derivative. Okay, this one the furan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 nitrofuran derivative, or we can say this one is the what is that? Carbon having two acetyl group. Easily removed. How it is can be easily removed? This CH3CO remove as hydrogen. CH3CO remove means 2CH3COOH. By taking two hydrogen, by taking of these as well as these. Okay, then it is directly bonding with the nitrogen with double bond. It is directly double bond in between carbon and nitrogen. That is our furantoin. Nitrofurantoin. This is our nitrofurantoin drug molecule. Okay, this is our hydantoin, this is furan, as we have discussed in the structure. Just quick revision of nitrofurantoin means it is its mechanism of action, that is the oxidation of flavoprotein as well as the DNA, which comes under bacteriostatic action. At lower pH it is more active, and it belongs to urinary antiseptic, contraindicated glucose 6-phosphate deficiency, renal failure, or polynephritics. We cannot given this condition, and patient having nitrofurantoin, its urine color is black color on the exposure of air, reduce secretion of formic acid, and come to the synthesis. Very simple: hydrazine and chloroacetic acid followed by potassium cyanate, which gives the cyclization on heating, that is the hydantoin. Treated with furan derivative, that is nitrofuran derivative, which gives the nitrofurantoin. This is all about nitrofurantoin. Then what is the question may be there, direct question will be there. Write the synthesis of nitrofurantoin, then you have to only give the synthesis during for the exam. If question is like that, write short note on nitrofurantoin. In that situation, you have to produce this whole thing about synthesis as well as its general properties or general information. Okay, this is all about what the nitrofurantoin. Clear?